Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to be working on page 125 today, and we're going to be working on both pages, focusing on area and perimeter. But not only focusing on that, but also focusing on where our length and widths are. So we're going to be referencing this portion right here throughout the lesson today for homework, knowing where our length and our widths are. However, let's discuss our area. Is going to be length times the width, and our perimeters formula is going to be length plus width plus length plus width. We will use that area and that perimeter throughout the lesson, and that formula, in order for us to solve each problem. So let's go into our first set. Perfect. We are going to be working on a rectangular pool is 7 feet wide. So I'm going to be looking at this, and I know that this is very similar to this right here. So I'm looking for the width. So I know the width goes here. Perfect. So I know that it is 7 feet wide. This is going to be 7 feet wide. And now I have my widths. However, they're saying it is 3 times as long as it is wide. And I know that my length is here, my lengths are here. So we are going to be focusing on 3 times as much as my width. And I know that 3 times 7, if I don't know and if I struggle with that, I can look at my multiples of 3, and I can do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I think that is 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So I can list my multiples of 3 7 times to find the answer. And the answer is 21 feet. And I know this will be 21 feet. Perfect. So I have found, I labeled my dimensions of the pool. I have my widths, I have my lengths. Now, they want us to find the perimeter. And I think by now you can do this on your own. I can help you as much as I can. So I know that I have 21 plus 7 plus 21 plus 7. And we add this, and you will get your perimeter. Perfect. Not so bad so far. We can continue this. Please pause the video at any time so that you can solve the math in order to move on. So pause the video, and we will continue on to 2A and 2B. All right, let's go on to 2A. We have a poster, and it's 3 inches long. So its length is 3 inches. So I'm going to be making a poster. No, that's a little bit too, there we go. So there's my poster. And my poster is 3 inches long. So it is 3 inches. So this is 3 inches, and I know that this will be 3 inches. I don't like writing over it. Give me a second here. Let me make my square. There we go. Cool. So I have 3 inches. And I have 3 inches. There we go. Perfect. So they also say that it is 4 times as wide as it is long. So I know that it is 4 times as wide. So here it's saying it's 4 times as wide. So in order for us to solve, we know that we can do 4 times 3, and that would be 12 inches. And 4 times 3 is I can list out my multiples of 3 again. 3, 6, 9, and 12. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 times 3, boom, it's 12. Now that we've drawn our diagram, we have our dimensions. Now I want you to find the perimeter and the area. And please find. The perimeter is here, and the area is here to solve. And please pause the video so that you can do that right meow. Now, after you're done, I'm going to be going on to the back page of tonight's homework. We're going to be working on the back page now, 113. And here we're going to be working with a different couple options. We're going to be working with area, and we're going to be putting and trying to find the width. So we have the area of a rectangle. So I'm going to make a rectangle. Perfect. And we know that the area is 36 centimeters squared. Okay? And its length is 9. So I'm going to reference this. And they say that the length is 9. So here's my length. Perfect. So the length is 9 centimeters. All right. Now, what is its width? So I'm gonna represent width as an x. All right. Cool. Or now let's do an n. Cool. So here's my formula. I got area is 36 centimeters squared. I have my length is 9 times n. What is that missing piece? What is our width? Okay. So once you solve that, you can continue on to A, and you can continue on to C. Okay. Remember, pause the video at any time if you need assistance and help with this. So let's go on to B. It also wants to draw a second rectangle that is the same length but is 3 times as wide. Draw and label Elsa's second rectangle. So this is going to change our whole dynamic. So this is going to change the whole dynamic area. Well, it's not going to change our length. It's going to change our width. So we can make a new rectangle, but it's going to be wider. Way, way wider here. We do have 9 centimeters as our length. However, they're saying that the width is 3 times as much. Okay, so now you need to find the width. So what is the width? And they're going to ask you, hey, what is the perimeter of this new second rectangle? Okay, so find the width for this one. Give me the area. And then find the perimeter of this new rectangle, okay? Remember, if this is 9 centimeters, this is 9 centimeters. And then once you find the width, whatever is over here, it'll be the same for over here, okay? So have a good time with this math. I hope it wasn't too complicated today. Rewind if you have to look at one of my problems or the way that I describe it if I was going too fast, all right? Have a great time.